Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Part B, Unit 1, Session 1, Working with Accessibility Options. Let's begin.
Grade 10, Session 1, Part B, Working with Accessibility option. In this content, we are going to learn ease of access, quick access to common tools, magnifiers, narrators, on-screen keyboard, setup high contrast. All these will be explained based on practical model. First of all, we need to go to Control panel, Microsoft R we need to press from your keyboard. After that, go to Control panel. In this control panel, you will find the ease of access. Just click on ease of access. Again, you go to the ease of access center. Now here you will find, I told you, start magnifiers, you can have narrators, you can have on-screen keyboard, you can have setup high contrast. Okay, in these tools you can use all the tools. If you see properly what is start magnifiers, it will zoom. Okay, this is how it can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, you can see the screen, it is zooming. Now if you go to on-screen keyboard, sometimes what happens, your keyboard is not working. So that time what you need to do? To go with the help of mouse, you can use start on-screen keyboard, and after that you can type whatever you want, you can type. Everything is there. This is inspect element where you no need to type directly, you can get it and you can type. Okay, this is your on-screen keyboard. Start narrator. Narrator, what it is actually, it will, this is the features where now what is actually a narrator was, narrator actually narrator reads aloud text on the screen. Whatever is there on the screen, it will read. That means you no need to read. The narrator only will start reading. If you click on narrator, it will start read. Oh, it will start reading your. Okay, this is the narrator home where you can help access your settings and learn about new features. So, okay, now you can do escape from your keyboard and you can go to the main menu also. This is all about quick start, narrator guide, what new settings are also given. You can write feedback about narrator's improvement, everything you can do it. Now setting up the high contrasts. What is actually setting up the high contrast? You can turn off the magnifier directly from here. Even you can have a preview cursor. You can enlarge the preview cursor also. You can, if you go to this one, Microsoft R Notepad. If you open Notepad, look, the cursor is blinking. You can make it big also. 12. Actually, you need to have to apply, and after that OK. Then only your cursor preview will look like this. You first do apply, and OK if you do. Now you open Microsoft R. You can see here the cursor is blinking with big and large. Okay, this is what actually is there in set high contrast. Okay, so you can minimize also that one with 1, and after that you can have turn on navigator. You can make focus on rectangular thicker also. You can remove background images also. Everything you can do with the ease of access and ease of access center, and make the computer easy to use. Okay, you can have audio description. You can have narrator that read aloud on the screen. Okay, even you can have make the mouse easy to use. This option also there. You can have regular white, you can have extra large inverting, large inverting. These are the cursor you can change with these options. And if anyone has a tablet, that also can be used with this feature. This is make the keyboard easier to work. These are the shortcut keys. Sticky keys are there, toggle keys there, filters keys there. These are the shortcut key. You can make 3 keys at one touch. So that also you can make with the help of these features. Make the keyboard easier to use. Okay, thank you everyone.